Once upon a time, on September 18, 1947, the United States officially formed the U.S. Air Force as an independent branch of the military. Before that, America's air power operated under the Army. But after World War II, the nation realized one truth: future wars would be decided in the skies. This decision changed history. Since then, the U.S. Air Force has become the most technologically advanced air force on Earth, responsible for defending America from airspace and cyber threats. But have you ever wondered how these powerful aircraft actually operate? A U.S. fighter jet begins its journey on the runway. The pilot performs a detailed system check: engine temperature, fuel levels, flight controls, radar, navigation. Everything must be perfect. Once cleared, the engines come alive. Fighter jets like the F-22 Raptor or F-35, Lightning II use massive turbofan engines that pull in air, compress it, mix it with jet fuel, and ignite it, producing explosive thrust. As speed increases, the wings generate lift and the aircraft leaves the ground smoothly, rising into the sky. This combination of thrust and lift is what allows a 30,000-pound jet to fly like a bird at extreme speeds. Modern U.S. jets can reach speeds above Mach 2, over 1,500 Mach, but speed comes at a cost. Fuel. Lots of fuel. Fighter jets can burn 5,000 to 18,000 pounds of fuel per hour depending on mission and speed. That's why mid-air refueling is so important. Tanker aircraft like the KC-135 or KC-46 extend missions by delivering fuel in the sky, connecting to jets with a flying boom while traveling 25,000 feet above the ground. This ability allows the U.S. Air Force to reach anywhere on the planet without landing. Now let's talk altitude. Most U.S. fighters operate between 30,000 and 50,000 feet, where they stay above weather and threats. But some aircraft go even higher. The U-2 Dragon Lady flies over 70,000 feet, so high that the curve of the Earth becomes visible and pilots wear space-like pressure suits. Every flight relies on advanced computers and sensors. U.S. jets use radar, satellite communication, GPS, infrared sensors, and threat detection systems. These tools allow pilots to track enemy aircraft, avoid missiles, and coordinate missions with ground and space assets in real time. The Air Force isn't just about combat. Cargo planes like the C-17 transport humanitarian aid across the world. Drones monitor danger zones, and rescue teams save stranded soldiers in impossible conditions. From weather forecasting to global communication, everyday technologies around us exist because of the U.S. Air Force. Today, the USAF is investing in next-generation stealth jets, hypersonic missiles, AI-powered drones, and space defense systems. From its birth in 1947 to its futuristic technology today, the U.S. Air Force remains the unmatched guardian of the skies. If you learned something new about how the U.S. Air Force works, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos.